Hi guys, welcome to Technology for Blind YouTube channel. So I'm back with another Android accessibility tutorial. So I have done a tutorial about TalkBack uh, recently. So if you didn't watch the tutorial, please go to my channel and watch the tutorial first. If not, if you are a complete beginner, you will not be able to understand what I am saying, or you will be confused. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you the basic operations of an Android device, which you have to know before diving into apps and more advanced options. Okay, now in this video I'd like to show you about how to connect to Wi-Fi networks and mobile networks, and how to take a call, and how to send an SMS, etc. If you are a complete beginner, you will be able to understand all of the concepts behind Android, and also you will be able to use all those options with TalkBack, the default screen reader which is on the Android operating system. So let's get started with the learning process. Okay, I hope this video would help you a lot. Get started. First of all, let's learn how to connect to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data connection. Okay, before this, I hope if you have an Android device, obviously you have to have an active SIM card in your device, okay, in order to use your mobile completely. Okay, in order to use your mobile very easily, and you can try those settings that I'll explain. Okay, so now before connecting to a Wi-Fi network, you have to go to your notification bar. Okay, notification panel. You can go to the notification panel by swiping. If you are using TalkBack, you can go to the notification panel by swiping two finger down. That means from the top of the screen, keep your two fingers and swipe down. Okay, like this.
File, search, in,
Wait.
home, search app,
Yeah.
English, UK,
Yeah.
QWERTY, keyboard
Now
hidden,
this
home,
is
button,
my notification panel, if you can see.
not a save,
Okay,
not a save, screen recording,
yeah.
recording screen,
Now I'm since I'm recording screen, the notification is showing, okay, that I am recording screen. Now there are more settings. Let's start from the first. Okay,
on, Wi-Fi on, full Wi-Fi signal, Android app, open Wi-Fi settings, switch,
yeah, now
off,
I have currently connected to Android AP. Okay, and my Wi-Fi is on. You can turn off the Wi-Fi by double tapping. Just double tap wherever the screen, because the button is selected. Okay,
off, Wi-Fi turned on,
it says Wi-Fi on, but let's
off, do not, off, Wi-Fi off, open Wi-Fi settings, switch,
Wi-Fi off. Now this is
off, do not disturb, switch,
yeah, do not disturb means you will not be interrupted by calls or messages, alarms, etc. Okay,
ultra battery,
now this ultra battery option is available on only on Huawei devices. Okay, now your notification panel will be changed, or there will be some changes according to your service provider. According to your device manufacturer. For an example, Samsung devices are having lots more options than these Huawei devices, and also I don't know about iOS devices, which is iPhones, because I haven't used those devices. Okay, so let's move.
Off. Bluetooth off. Open Bluetooth settings. Switch.
Bluetooth off. If the talkback says open Bluetooth settings or open Wi-Fi settings, you can do this action by double tapping and holding the button. Okay, let's see in a second. Okay,
Off. Mobile data. Switch.
mobile data,
0% display brightness. Seat control.
display brightness,
5% display brightness. Seat control. 20% display brightness. Seat control.
now you can increase or decrease the display brightness or whatever the seek bar using the volume up and volume down key. Okay, now let's
15% display brightness. Seat control. 0% display brightness. Seat control.
so
Auto. Not ticked. Auto. Tick box.
not ticked. Auto means the device will automatically control the brightness level according to your situation. Okay, if this situation is night or daylight, etc. Okay,
Not a save.
this is
Screen
my
recording. Screen recording. Recording screen.
these are
Recording screen button.
these are my notifications. Okay,
12:34 a.m. Monday the 25th of February. Edit order of settings button. Open settings button. Expand quick settings button.
there are quick settings.
Close quick setting. Quick setting. Off. Off. Ultra. Off. On. Auto rotate screen. Switch.
Auto rotate screen means now imagine if you are watching a YouTube video. Now if you are a partially blind person or visually impaired, if you want to watch the video in full screen, you can turn your phone into landscape mode, which is your earpiece will face on your left and your home button or home key, all of the buttons will face on your right. That, okay, which is called landscape mode. Now currently I am holding my phone in the portrait mode. Okay, so
Off torch switch.
torch is self-explanatory. The torch.
Torch turned on.
Oh, now I can see my light, backlight.
Torch turned off. Off.
Okay,
Off hotspot switch.
hotspot means you can share your mobile data as a Wi-Fi network. Okay, I can make a specific tutorial about this feature if you want. Please comment me. Okay,
Screen recording.
now these are additional options which I have added to my notification panel for my daily use, and these aren't available on some devices. You will have to install third-party applications. Okay,
0% auto.
so these are usual buttons I showed you. So now let's connect to a Wi-Fi network.
Off Wi-Fi off. Open Wi-Fi settings switch.
Let's turn on this.
On. Off.
Now
Wi-Fi turned on. On. Off. Off. On. Wi-Fi on. Full Wi-Fi signal. Android app. Open Wi-Fi settings switch.
let's set a Wi-Fi connection from the beginning. Okay, now let's
Off.
let's open the settings, Wi-Fi settings, by double tapping and holding on the Wi-Fi button. Okay, now
Off.
okay.
Navigate up. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Email. Chris Ankin. Navigate up.
Now
Mohomed Rashad. Android app connected.
let's
AND. Cancel. Forget but
forget this
Wi-Fi.
device. Okay,
Home
now
button out of list.
now this is from the beginning, how to connect to a Wi-Fi network using TalkBack. Okay,
Android app.
Android, you have to
Up.
click this Android app, right? Android app.
Android app.
Okay, now let's move around by swiping right.
Navigate. Signal strength. Excellent. Encryption type. WPA2 PSK. Password. Edit box.
Now most of the Wi-Fi networks are having passwords, so you need the correct password in order to log into a Wi-Fi network. Now let's
Showing password.
double tap
keyboard.
on this and
End of field. Showing digit. Showing
Now-
password keyboard. Not recent
Now-
apps button.
I am using the Gboard as my default keyboard. Now in your Android device it may be changed different. Okay, so
Accessibility button.
the accessibility means my select to speak. Okay, it is self-explanatory. You can tab, you can check and try out. Okay, now the sorry,
Delete.
now the Gboard is
Email.
okay.
RW. Home button.
I'll do a specific tutorial related to Gboard. Okay, now this is now the password is 5 times 8. Okay, now
2, 4, 5, 5. End of
5 5 3
4, 4.
sorry
End of field. 5,
5
5, 5.
no, let's delete completely. I didn't remember
Delete.
how many times I typed.
Delete.
Okay,
5,
1 2
5,
3
5,
4 5 6 7 8.
5. Not ticked. Show password. Tick box.
Let's tick this.
55,555,555,555. End of field. Editing.
Let's check by character.
Characters. Default. 5, 5, 5, 5. Beginning of field.
1
5, 5. Beginning of
2
field. 5,
3
5,
4
5,
5
5,
6
5,
7
5,
8.
5, 5, 5, 5. End of field.
I think let's delete completely.
Delete. Delete. 6.
Sorry.
Delete. 5, 4, 4.
Sorry.
Deleted.
Let's
Delete. Symbol keyboard.
symbol keyboard. Okay.
5. Tick. Not tick. Cancel. Connect.
Connect.
Digit keyboard hidden.
Okay.
Connecting to Android app. Wi-Fi. Mohomed Rashad. Saved. Encrypted. 2 Wi-Fi bars. In Wi-Fi. Navigate up.
Let's move around this
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
Ticked. Switch. Wi-Fi plus. Enhanced internet experience. Off.
Now these settings may be changed on your device. Okay, keep it in mind. Okay.
Wi-Fi. Out of list. Navigate up. Tick. Wi-Fi. Available network. Android app connected. Full Wi-Fi
Yeah.
signal.
Now it says Android app connected. Okay. Now we have successfully connected to a Wi-Fi network from the beginning. Okay. Now let's
Recent apps
close.
button. Out of list.
Recent tabs and
Setting. Recent apps. Close all recent apps.
close.
Your phone is
Simple.
now in optimal condition. Scroll
Okay.
home.
Now,
Files.
the next thing that I'd like to show to you is how to send an SMS to someone using the default SMS app. Now, most of the time the messaging option is located on the bottom left dialer or phone and the next tab. Okay, messaging. Now double tap on this.
Navigate up. App lock.
Let's
App lock.
I have set an app lock that
6 button. 9.
okay.
Messaging.
Now in my device, in my SMS app, on the bottom of the screen there is a button called new message. Let's double tap on this. Okay,
messaging. 2 edit box.
now the contacts, all of my contacts are showing now. I can choose one of the contact or I can type a number. Now
add recipients. Data 7. Add 2.
Let's send a message. Let's try to send a message for me. Okay, now let's try to send a message.
Letter keyboard.
No,
add
not for
button.
me. Wait.
789. Select contact. 356.
Wait, please wait.
Selected. Recents. Out of list. Done. But
Contacts.
Sadeep Shamal. Mobile. Tharandu dialogue. Say Rixa smiling. Rixa Dati. Riham. Mobile.
Okay, for this. Okay, Now
Select all. Out of list. Cancel button.
on the top of the screen there is a button called done. Okay,
Selected one. Done.
done.
Button.
Okay,
Editing. Text message.
which
Edit
means
box.
now
Show in English. Home button.
which means now I have selected a contact or more than a contact. Okay, now let's type a message. Now the keyboard has launched. Okay, this is a test.
Capital T. Tango. Capital T. H. I. S. S. This. I. D. Delete. S. Space. T. A. T. E. S. T.
So let's send.
146 over. Editing.
Okay.
Text message.
Now the SMS charges box will be coming. Okay, in a second. Okay,
0 SMS charge is ours. 0.27. OK button.
okay. Now
Back button.
so
Recent.
we have successfully sent
Close
a message.
Six.
Now remember
Home
guys,
button.
you cannot learn an Android device, how to use an Android device without an Android device. Okay, keep it in mind. Okay, you cannot learn an Android device without having an Android device, because you cannot learn swimming without getting into the swimming pool, etc. Okay, now try to learn with your Android device, so you will be able to learn more quickly and also explore more options than what I am teaching now. Okay, so let's take a call. Now let's dialer.
Navigate up. Dialer. Selected. Dialer.
Let's
More.
check my balance. 456.
4 5 6 6. Dial button.
Account balance is 89 rupees and 80 cents. The connection is valid until October 22nd, 2019.
Okay, now the last thing that I'd like to demo for you is using the contacts. Okay, now when it comes to mobile phones, there will be lots of contacts on your phone. So I'd like to show how to add and edit contacts and use the contacts app. Okay, now in my phone, this is Huawei Y7 2018, Huawei Y7 Pro 2018. In this phone, the dialer and the contacts are the same app. Okay, so the contacts is located. Now I have customized my phone, so your phone, your contacts may be different, and also remember, keep it in mind, these settings or this video is completely not related to all the manufacturers. Okay, this is only for my phone, so you have to experiment with your device. Okay, so let's get started. My contacts is here.
Contacts.
Yeah, contacts. Now double tap.
Navigate up. Contacts. Dialer.
Now here dialer.
Selected contacts.
Selected contacts. Now if we select the dialer.
Dialer. Dialer. Dialer. Dialer.
Yeah.
Selected.
Now we can see the keypad and all of the things. Okay, recent calls, etc. Okay, now
Contacts.
contacts.
Contacts. Contacts.
Okay,
Contacts.
now
Favorites.
favorites. You can add favorite numbers. You can add your relative numbers. Okay,
Groups button details.
Groups.
Heading. Me. Heading.
me means my number. I have added my email address, all of my information. Your phone, your contacts may be different depending on your device.
Asman.
Okay, now
Me. Heading.
to add a contact.
More. Out. New contact.
On the top bottom of the screen there is a button new contact.
New contact.
Let's double tap on that.
Alert select account on top. Contacts on bottom. Contacts. Alert select account. Phone. In list. 4 items. Google. Mohomed. Phone.
Yeah. Now it says that it asks where do you want to save the contacts. Okay. Now phone, Google account,
Google. SIM.
SIM,
Add new account.
add new account. Okay. Now let's add
SIM.
to the SIM.
Mobile. Edit contact. Editing. Name. Edit
Name.
box.
Let's type my name.
Capital R. Cap. A. S. S. H. A. F. D. D.
Okay, let's swipe.
Drop down menu. Mobile.
Now there is drop down menu mobile. Let's expand the menu.
Mobile. In list 21 items. Home.
Home,
Work. Work fax. Home fax. Pager. Other. Custom. Callback. Car. Company main. ISDN. Main. Other fax. Radio. Telex. TTY TDD. Work mobile. Work pager. Assistant. MMS. Other fax. Radio. Tele. Work. Assist. Other fax.
yeah, there are lots of settings available.
Selected. Home. Selected. Mobile.
Mobile, let's select
Edit
mobile.
contact.
Okay.
Drop down menu. Mobile. Phone number. Edit box.
Now when you land on the phone number edit box, you have to double tap to select it. So
End of field.
Okay.
Showing
Now-
dial keyboard.
dial keyboard, I can see the dial keyboard. So you heard that the dial keyboard has shown. Now let's type a random number. 0
7 5 1 6 3 6 5
a
4
random number.
4.
So
minus ringtone default. Select ringtone.
you can select ringtones for each and every contacts on your contact list. That is also very cool thing. Okay,
Cancel but new contact. Done button.
done. Let's done.
Contacts. Dial keyboard hidden. Navigate up button.
Now
Expand QR code button.
we have landed on the contacts. That means the rashad name. Now
Photo.
photo, you can add a photo.
Rashad. Selected details. Call log. 07516836654. Mobile. Send message button. Default ringtone button detail. Favorite out of list. Edit. More.
Yeah, let's switch more.
Share contact in list 6 item. Add to blacklist. Copy. Add to blacklist.
Now add to blacklist means you can block the number from, you can prevent the number from calling or messaging. Okay, this is also may be changed depending on your device or depending on your phone manufacturer. Okay, on your default contacts dial app. Okay, phone app.
Copy.
Copy.
All calls to voicemail not ticked tick box.
I haven't used these settings, so thank you. Sorry,
Create shortcut.
I'm sorry.
All calls to voicemail not ticked. Create shortcut. Delete contact.
Let's delete this contact.
Alert this contact will be deleted. Contacts. Cancel button. Delete button. Contacts.
Okay,
Recent. Close all recent apps. Recent apps. 8 megabytes of memory freed up. 1.62 gigabytes memory now available. Draw home.
now
Files.
wait.
Video. Play Store. Files.
I like to
Home button.
show to you the ringtones available on my phone for a fun. Okay,
Settings.
if you don't like, you can skip the you can pause, you can close the video, because this is the last item that I'd like to show to you. Okay, if you are interested, please wait.
Navigate up.
Now
Settings.
settings,
Login. Apps. Battery. Display. Sound. Storage. Sound.
sound,
Navigate up. Ringtone. 40%. Ringtone. Media. Alarms. 100%. 100. Silent. Not ticked. Vibrate inside. Ticked. Do not disturb. SIM 2 phone ringtone. SIM 1 phone. App lock. 9.
okay.
Select sound. Select.
Let's listen from the beginning.
None. In list.
None.
14
None
items.
means you can disable the ringing tone.
Ticked. Huawei Tune Living. None. Ticked. Cartoon.
Yeah, I hope you can hear.
Ring volume controls shown. Swipe up to dismiss. Accessibility volume set to 1. Huawei. Ticked. Cartoon. Classic bell. 140. Done. Button. Accessibility. 40% seat control. 70% seat control. Collapse. Ringtone volume set to 100%. Volume controls hidden.
I hope this is you can hear.
Cartoon in classic digital.
As usual, digital ringing tone. This is a default music for Huawei devices. Next. This is Huawei defaults. I think no. Huawei Tune Clean.
Sound. SIM 1 phone ringtone.
Okay.
Huawei Tune Living. In list. Select sound. Cancel button. Ticked. Huawei Tune Living.
This
default.
is my
In
default
list, 14
ringtone that which I
items.
have set to default for my calls.
Tick.
Okay.
Sound. SIM 1 phone. Set. Close. 9. 0
So
140. Home button.
yeah, we have come to the end of the video, and thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video has helped you for your Android device, using your Android device. And in the future videos, I will be going in deep to apps, all about apps, specific apps. So let's see what will happen in the future. So thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.
Screen recording.
Signing
Screen
out.
Recording. Recording screen.
Who am I?
Button.
I am Mohomed Rashad. Bye.